What's going on, Jose?
I'm trying to hyperventilate to get the hiccups away. It's not working.
It sounds so bad.
Oh.
I'm sorry. That's just.
Oh.
Well, I guess we can post this one to YouTube.
Better not. Oh.